Oh, I can make your very own special hearing aid. Ooh. There you go. It'll take a while for your ear to get used to it. But get ready, George. Things are gonna get a bit louder. Ooh.
George has never heard his laugh so clearly before.
Are you laughing at your own laugh?
George loves the sound of his laugh. Everyone loves the sound of George's laugh.
Bye, Maggie Peppa! See you in
Friends in our very own Milkshake magazine. Out now and available in all good retailers.